Hi friends, welcome to Edupedia world. This is Varun Ganga. Friends, in our last session, we have seen some examples regarding how to find cubes by using geometric progression. And now in this session, we are going to have a look at some more examples regarding the same concept, that is finding the cubes by using geometric progression. So now let us see what is the example. The example that I am going to take in this session is find the cube of 65. So friends, as we have discussed in our earlier sessions, we will be having some procedure or the steps that we have to follow in order to find the cube of a given two-digit number. So here, in order to find the cube of 65, we have some steps that we have to follow. So let us see what is the step number 1. So here, the step number 1, what we have to do is, we have to separate the digits of the given number. So here, the given number is 65. So by separating the digits with the commas, that is, we get 6 and 5. So after getting the number 6 and 5, moving to step number 2, what we have to do here is, we have to find the common ratio between the two numbers what we have got, that is 6 and 5. It is done by dividing the second number with the first number. So here the second number is 5 and the first number is 6. So therefore 5 divided by 6 is equals to 5 by 6. After getting the common ratio as 5 by 6, now further moving to step number 3. Here in step number 3, what we have to do is, we have to find the geometric progression series starting the first term with the cube of the first digit, that is 6 cube. So here in the given number 65, after separating them we have got the number 6 and 5, and in those two numbers the first digit is 6. So by cubing that digit 6, we get the first term of the required geometric progression series. So therefore here the first term is equals to 6 cube, and that is equals to 260. After getting the first term, to find the second term, we just take the first term and multiply the first term with the common ratio, that is 5 by 6. So by multiplying the number 216 with the common ratio 5 by 6, we get the product 180. After getting the second term, again to find the third term, we take the second term and multiply with the common ratio 5 by 6. So therefore 180 into 5 by 6 is equals to 150. So this is the product what we get when we multiply the number 180 with the number 5 by 6. And after getting the third term, to find the fourth term, we just take the third term, that is 150, and we just multiply it with the common ratio 5 by 6, and the product what we are going to get here is 125. Now after getting the first term, second term, third term and fourth term, the geometric progression series, we just move on to the next step, that is step number 4. Here in step number 4, the process what we are going to do is, we just take the first term and multiply with 1000, the second term with the number 100, and the third term with the number 10. So now let us start doing multiplication. So first term 216 into 1000 is equals to 216,000. And by multiplying the second term, that is 180 with 100, we get 18,000, and the third term, that is 150 into 10 is equals to 1,500. Now after getting the products, we just take the second product and the third product and we just add up them. So this process comes under step number 5. So therefore in step number 5, we just take the second product and the third product, that is 18,000 and 1,500. We just add these two things. So by adding these two things, we get 19,500. After getting the sum 19,500, we just again multiply this sum with 3. So by multiplying 19,500 with 3, we get the product as 58,500. After getting the product, now we just move on to the final step, that is step number 6. And in this step number 6, the process what we are going to perform is, we just add first term, the new product, that is 58,500, and the fourth term what we have got, and therefore we get the final result. So now let us start adding the first term, the new product and the fourth term. So in order to add the first term, the new product and the fourth term, I am going to write all these three things sequentially with the horizontal bars like this. Now let us start doing addition. So here 0 plus 0 plus 5, we get 5. 0 plus 0 plus 2, we get 2. So 0 plus 5 plus 1, we get 6. And 6 plus 8, we get 14. We have to write 4 and we have to take 1 as carry on. And 1 plus 5, we get 6. And 6 plus 1, we get 7. And again 2, we don't have any other digits to add up, so we write 2 as it is here. So therefore, the final answer what we have got here is 274,625. And therefore, we can say that 65 cube is equals to 274,625. So friends, this is the way how we use geometric progression in finding the cube of a given two-digit number. So friends, I hope that you have understood pretty well how to use this geometric progression very useful in finding the cube of a given two-digit number. So friends, in the next session, we will be having some more examples regarding the same concept. For watching this video, thank you. Have a nice day.